Hey friends, welcome back to another tutorial video, and in this video tutorial I will let you know how to make a voltage measuring device using Arduino and voltage measuring sensor. So before going to measure any voltage, please make sure that you are measuring the voltage in between 0 to 25 volt only, because this voltage sensor measures only 0 to 25 volt only. So let me demonstrate how does it works. Let's measure this. Here as we can see, it's providing 1.66 voltage. Here we can see it's providing 7.37 voltage. Here we can see it's providing 1.48 voltage. This one is a 12 volt adapter, and let us check this as well. Here as we can see, it's providing 12.42 voltage. So friends, before going to start this video, a small important notification is there that as you can see 98% of viewers are not subscribing to my YouTube channel. Only 2% of viewers are subscribing to my YouTube channel, which is actually not worth it. So friends, please consider to subscribe to this channel. Also hit the thumbs up button for this video and press the bell icon to get an instant notification from me while I'm uploading new videos like this. So without any further ado, let's quickly get started with this video. To make this project, the requirements that we need are Arduino Uno, a voltage sensor, a 16x2 LCD display with I2C module, a breadboard, and a couple of jumper wires. Follow this circuit diagram and make your connections. Let's move to our PC screen for coding part. So these are the lines of code which I have already written over here. So nothing has to be changed. Before uploading the code or verifying the code, please make sure that you have installed this library, and if you are unable to get a message on your LCD display, then please change this address according to your LCD display. And nothing has to be changed in this code. And let me verify the code. And after that, go to tools and select the board and port, and upload the code into our Arduino Uno or Nano. So as you can see, the code is uploaded into our Arduino Uno. So let me demonstrate again. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. Then do hit that like button and also share this video among with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So I will see you in next video.